Uh-huh. Video 1 on Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023. And I'm at the Boat Reynolds, and we're going to go across the street and see how they put this building together. Wave at me. You always guys do a good deal on it. You're a good man to do that. You're always so good to get the boat in like that. You're always so good to get the boats in.
Yeah. Okay, Jerry. You gotta move back so we get to the same things.
I'll move back. Is my bike in the way, or
yeah,
is it?
It is.
I'll get it out of your way.
Okay, thanks, Jerry.
I'll get it out of your way, Jason.
Thank you, buddy. Hey, what the hell? I told you. Oh, that's good. It's not. Wait.
Let's go over here and see this new building they put up. It used to be all hollow in there from the old days. You can see how it has the walls and the roof is still there, but they got new walls in the door, and the windows are now enclosed. Before, you can just walk in there until you get to that part and walk in. This is new. I think they put this in April. We got a video, I think, when they're putting this in, but...
Hello. What can I get for you? I'm looking for it now, but for sure gonna get stuff.
Okay, and what can I get for you then?
Can I get a lemonade?
Sure. You know, I have one I just made.
Perfect.
I haven't even got it yet.
Here you go.
Have a good day, buddy. You always bring me happiness, Corey. That's all new.
Hey, Jerry.
Hey,
You come to get some shaved ice, hot dogs, corn dogs, churros, pretzels, or nachos.
probably the popcorn, but not today because I'm just getting well.
Okay, well, come back and get some popcorn then.
Or get a corn dog or something.
Yeah, awesome.
What else I need? Okay.
Now I gotta make him that.
I don't know your name.
Tina. you
Hi,
know
Tina.
me.
Hi, Tina, but I never knew your name.
Oh, out of all these years, huh?
Oh, no.
Yeah. All these years.
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, now you know my name.
All right. We like you. We like you. I like popcorn. I like hot dogs. I like all. I like it all. Continue video 1 on Wednesday, May the 17th is almost John's birthday. the video on May 17, 2023.